So today's Friday, and I have found a new mod to replace. Recently, we used to have the playtest for Half Sword, but they've discontinued it, and they now have the demo only. The demo is quite fun, but the previous mod that I had a tutorial on is now probably no longer valid, probably no longer active. Uh, if you still have the playtest installed and you haven't uninstalled it, well, it's good luck for you guys because you guys can actually still play this game on the playtest. You just would have to go into the installed files, browse, find the version test, and just start it up from there. That's for players or people in general that have not uninstalled this. If you still have the playtest, you can indeed still play it, which is kind of weird. I don't know why they have that set up, but let me show you. It's booted up now, but it's on my other display. So let me move this display and make it windowed and show you what I mean. So here you go. The game for the playtest model is still available if you still have it downloaded. But the mods for this playtest, I'm not entirely sure if you can apply it to the Half Sword demo. I haven't tried it yet. So instead of doing that, I went to Nexus Mod to see if there's another version that's specifically tailored to the demo itself. So to start the install for the mod for the demo, we're gonna type in Half Sword mods in Google. From here, we're gonna click on the first link and we're going to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you'll want to click on View More. Scroll down a little bit farther. On the bottom right is gonna be the Half Sword Enhancer from Ghost 590. Yeah, 590. Click on that. Scroll down and there will be two options to install this mod, the manual install and the launcher option. I prefer the manual install because it's a much more cleaner install. It's quicker and it gets the job done. So we're gonna go with the manual install for this video, for this tutorial. So we're gonna go to GitHub. I personally prefer this method, but there's other ways to install it. And we're gonna scroll down and you'll see that there's the HS Enhancer zip. Click on that. Of course, it's going to download. Once you've downloaded, personally, I like to put this in a separate folder. Up top on the top left is the folder that I have for it. This is just pure organizing. Give me this. And then we're gonna take this and we're gonna put it in here. Once you've done that, you'll want to extract it. And of course, it's going to ask if you want to extract it. Go ahead. Once it's done, you'll see that it's made a new folder and it's going to be the file folder that you want. You want to go in here, click on it twice. There's the README option. The README option basically offers you the instructions on how to install this. It's telling you, hey, put the two files in the game folder, specifically in the Half Sword demo binaries Win64, where the Half Sword Win64 shipping .exe is located. Some people might be a little bit confused at this part. No worries. But what we're going to do is go to the demo itself, and we're going to go to Properties, Installed Files, Browse, and here we're going to click on Half Sword UE5 binaries, and then we're going to go to Win64. Here you'll find the shipping exe that the README text is talking about. So what you'll want to do is you'll want to go down and pull up the actual files. And here are the two files. And you're going to take these two files and just simply drop them down into this location. And that's it. You have now installed the game, or installed the mod into the game. So what we want to do from here on out, okay, is we want to now boot the game, make sure it actually works. So we'll boot it, play it. And of course it's gonna boot on my other screen. And I'm gonna have to move this so you guys can see it. I'm gonna hide and go to Windows, save it, scroll it over, and back. And as you notice that when you boot this game, it's going to pull up this UI and it's going to allow you to put in infinite stamina. It's going to allow you to save the loadout. It's going to allow you to increase the speed, strength multiplier, and vulnerability, dash. And each of these are keybinds that you can set. So once you click on it, D for dash, But of course, D is usually the right. So, we may not want to set it to that. But that's just an example. You got the entity spawner, NPCs, items. You can spawn items. And then once you select the item that you wish to spawn, you can of course set a keybind to that, maybe number 1. There's the loadout manager that's coming soon, post-process coming soon. And then you got the settings, which, you can play with if you like. But this is the crux, or the basic of this mod. And once you've set everything up, of course, you can play the demo. And then from here, you can play with the mod, slow down time. I'm not really sure if you can speed up time, but that is something that is optional, possibly. So we're gonna play this demo and we're going to test out the features, make sure it's actually working. We're going to skip this. And 2 of the features I'm gonna test just to show you that it's working is 1, what everyone likes, slow motion. Slow motion is on. Now, if you don't really want to do this match and you want to move on to the next match, you can actually press a button for all the enemies to go down immediately. And that's the K button. I have the K button bind, so that way all the enemies essentially he's supposed to really he's defeated. That's essentially what that button is supposed to do. I don't know why this is happening. But let me speed it up for this guy. Maybe I just press the K button again.
The next station is...
Essentially, it's supposed to unalive all the characters. All the NPCs that are within your range. Just press the K button. And there he goes. He's done. So as you can see, this is the new mod that I've been working with when I play this game. It's a really good mod. I really recommend it. There's 2 options that you can utilize to install the mod. It's on Nexus Mod. I hope you guys enjoy. See you guys around.